Hey everybody, thank you for returning and thank you for joining me at home with Jenny. So today is a Limelife unboxing. I have 3 boxes of Limelife product. I don't know what is in which box, but I have 3 of these. So let's open them. I want to make this short and sweet. Need to find my scissors. Okay. Box number 1. Oh, I got my samples. Yay! Okay, that's a business. Something's rattling in this one. Yes, I got creme brulee, a long-lasting lip color. The other one I have is macaroon. So here's creme brulee. I think I'll wear that with this top today. Perfect timing. And that last box is going to be, drum roll please, yes, my lip gloss called Peace. This is one of my favorite colors. Alright you guys, that was my Limelife unboxing. Thank you for joining me. Take care and I'll see you soon.